What's up, AirkewldArmy? It's your friend Pete, back again. This time, the areola chassis. The piece of crap pan halves have now been lifted up to average pan halves. Good enough for what's available. Thank you, COVID. Thank you, manufacturers, for being safe. This is what I got. We made it happen. OEM back third, 20%, whatever. Somebody do the math. 20%. Got it all stitched in. Got the seat tracks glued in from the bottom up. And then we also did the...
Start it up.
So we got this new panel in. Put out here, there's the old sheet metal. The new panel in. We had to trim up this edge. So we are good to go now, and I'm gonna pop some holes in this side and that side to do some plug welds. What's up, Airkewld Army? It's your friend Pete and Joey over there. Chassis about to head to powder coat. I want to give you one last look before it heads out. If you think this chassis came out okay for the parts that we used, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see what it looks like when it gets powder coated, make sure you subscribe. Let's show you the details. So Danish pans, OEM seat brackets, made that part there. Used the OEM panels back here, blended them in. Had to put our pedal stop right there. Got all the welds all cleaned up at the front, all beautificated. Got the tube in there welded. I'll kind of show you us doing it right there. Got the inspection panel done. We're gonna bring that with us. Seat frames installed. Just came out. I guess you could say I'm happy. You know, I'm happy with what I had to deal with. So we're gonna go get it powder coated now. We're gonna show you the bottom real quick, and then we're vamosing. Vamos! Let's go! at Airkewld would like to thank you for watching today's film. If you learned something new, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Discount codes, product descriptions, links to our website are located in the description below. We appreciate it again for watching. Catch you on the next time.